Construction vehicles. Feller buncher. Feller bunchers can cut down 4,000 trees in a single day. The feller uses a high-speed disc saw to cut trees and then a hydraulic arm to pick them up and stack them gently for transport. The machine's tracks provide excellent traction without damaging the forest floor. Long Reach Excavator. A long reach excavator is a type of excavator with an extended arm and boom, designed to reach farther than standard excavators. This makes it ideal for tasks such as dredging, deep excavation, demolition, and working in hard-to-reach areas. The extended reach allows operators to work safely from a distance. Dump truck. Dump trucks have deep, open beds that make carrying and transporting large volumes of loose material easy. Crews use dump trucks for all kinds of hauling tasks, bringing materials to a construction site, removing debris and other waste, and moving an endless variety of loose matter including soil, gravel, sand, scrap metal, grain, and coal. Boom lift. A type of aerial lift, boom lifts raise workers and materials at construction sites, providing access to hard-to-reach areas. The lifts consist of a platform or bucket on a hydraulic arm attached to a movable base on the ground. Boom lifts allow workers to access scaffolding, painting, piping, utilities, building exteriors, and tree projects. Because they can extend higher and farther than other types of lifts, boom lifts make an ideal construction vehicle for projects requiring maximum reach. Cold planer. Cold planers grind and remove asphalt or concrete, preparing paved surfaces for new pavement. From fixing slab cracks and broken curbs to road and sidewalk repair, cold planers break up old asphalt or concrete, mill the material, and move it to a container for later recycling. Excavator Magnet. An excavator magnet is a powerful attachment for excavators that uses electromagnetic force to lift and move ferrous materials like scrap metal and iron debris. This tool is especially useful in recycling yards, demolition sites, and construction areas for quickly and efficiently sorting and handling metal materials. The magnet is controlled from the excavator's cab, making it a versatile and efficient solution for managing metal waste and improving site cleanliness and safety. Backhoe Excavator. A Backhoe Excavator BW is a large, heavy-duty machine used in surface mining and civil engineering projects. It features a rotating wheel with multiple buckets attached, which continuously scoop up earth and rock as the wheel turns. BWS are highly efficient for removing overburden and extracting materials like coal, lignite, and minerals from open-pit mines. Breaker Excavator. A stone breaker excavator is a heavy-duty machine equipped with a hydraulic breaker attachment designed to break and crush hard materials such as rocks, concrete, and asphalt. It is commonly used in construction, demolition, quarrying, and mining operations. The hydraulic breaker uses powerful impacts to fracture and disintegrate tough materials, making it easier to remove and process them. Motor grader. Heavy equipment vehicles with a long blade, motor graders excel at flattening and leveling surfaces. The machines roll and mix materials, while breaking down dirt for better compaction. The grader's rubber tires allow operators to move on all types of surfaces at the construction site, as well as drive on the road at speeds of up to 30 miles per hour. All-wheel drive graders enable crews to work on slopes and soft terrain. Forklift Truck. Forklifts use a forked attachment to lift heavy materials and carry them over short distances. Commonly found both in construction work and warehouse settings, these powered industrial trucks excel at moving palletized loads and raising them overhead. Forklifts vary by maximum lifting capacity, arm reach length, and tire type, which makes it easy to find a unit that meets your specific material handling needs. Bulldozer. One of the most popular types of construction trucks, bulldozers assist with pushing, digging, excavating, and leveling materials at a construction site. You can recognize these heavy-duty earth movers by their giant blade on front used to push large amounts of soil, debris, and other materials. Excavator. One of the more popular earth-moving vehicles at any construction site, excavators make it possible to lift and move heavy loads. With its rotating cab, movable tracks, an arm, and a variety of attachments, excavators can perform a variety of other functions. In addition to moving heavy materials, this versatile construction equipment can grade uneven terrain, drill deep holes, break down walls, and much more. Walking Spider Excavator. A walking spider excavator is a highly versatile and adaptable machine designed for working in challenging terrains and difficult-to-reach areas. It features extendable legs that can independently adjust to uneven ground, allowing it to walk over obstacles and steep slopes. This excavator is ideal for tasks such as riverbank maintenance, forestry work, and construction on rugged landscapes. Its unique design provides stability and mobility in environments where traditional wheeled or tracked excavators cannot operate effectively. Backhoe Loader. While mostly used for excavation, backhoe loaders can perform a variety of tasks in the landscaping, construction, and agricultural sectors. Backhoes feature both a front loader to plow materials and a backhoe with a digging bucket or other attachment, along with stabilizer legs to prevent the vehicle from tipping over. Backhoe loaders vary in size, horsepower, bucket capacity, and digging depth. Amphibious Excavator. An amphibious excavator is a specialized machine designed to operate in waterlogged environments such as swamps, marshes, and shallow water bodies. It is equipped with buoyant pontoons or tracks that allow it to float and maneuver in wet and muddy conditions. This excavator is ideal for dredging, wetland restoration, and other projects where traditional land-based excavators cannot function efficiently. Its ability to work in both water. Dragline Excavator. A dragline excavator is a large, heavy-duty machine used primarily in mining and civil engineering projects. It features a long boom and a suspended bucket that is controlled by a system of ropes and cables. The bucket is dragged across the surface to collect material, then lifted and swung to dump the material at a designated location. Wheel Loader. A wheel loader is a versatile piece of heavy machinery used in construction, mining, and agriculture. It features large wheels and a front-mounted bucket, which can be used for scooping, lifting, and transporting materials such as soil, gravel, sand, and debris. They are essential for tasks such as loading trucks, clearing debris, and moving materials on job sites.
Hello, car.
よろしくお願いします。